Hey folks, how you doing? Ron Raymond here from the Raymond Report with your MLB preview and predictions for a Wednesday, May 5th. Hope you're having yourself a good start to your day. As always, don't forget, subscribe to our channel by tapping that notification bell in the top right-hand corner, or hit the subscribe button if you're on a mobile device. All right, Chicago White Sox taking on the Cincinnati Reds. Computer pick does like Dallas Keuchel against Sonny Gray here in this matchup. 4.24, 3.84. The over-under to land on 8.08. The Mets rained out yesterday against St. Louis, and now the Cardinals going into this one as a minus 105 pick and price. We do like the Mets here with Stroman, 4.24 to 3.84. The over-under at 8.08. Rockies taking on the Giants. They split that doubleheader yesterday. We do like the Giants to win this one with Logan Webb up against John Gray of the Rockies. 7.7 favor in San Francisco to 5.46 for the Rockies, but a high total here at 13.23. Seattle taking on the Baltimore Orioles. John Means up against Yusei Kikuchi. We do like Baltimore in this one, 5.4 to 4.1. Marlins taking on the Diamondbacks. Marlins had a big inning yesterday, and in fact, they blew them out in the latter part. I think it was the 8th inning. Pablo Lopez going today against Luke Weaver. We do like the Marlins in back-to-back game situation here. 5.05, 2.6. The over-under at 7.65. The Braves taking on the Nationals. We do like Atlanta in this one. 4.5 to 4.1. The over-under at 8.7. The Bronx Bombers, big win yesterday over the Stros, and we're looking for a back-to-back game situation with New York. 5 to 5.45. The over-under at 9.45. We'll see if the Boo Birds come back here in Houston. Milwaukee taking on the Philadelphia Phillies. We do like the Brew Crew here to win one. 4.9 to 4.5. The over-under at 9.5. Liking the Boston Red Sox, 5.4 to 4.3, the over-under at 9.72. We got the Cubs over the Dodgers, 4.8 to 4.1, the over-under at 9.01. Texas against the Minnesota Twins. We like the Rangers here, 3.9 to 2.7, the over-under at 6.67. So we do like it to go under the total. Again, another game here, a doubleheader between the Cards and the Mets. We like the Cards here in this one. Also, Cleveland taking on Kansas City. Cleveland, nice come from behind win yesterday. 4.08 for Kansas City, 3.8 for the Indians, and the over-under at 7.93. Should be a good pitching matchup between Shane Bieber and Brady Singer. We do like the Pirates here in back-to-back game situation, 6.2 to 4.7. The over-under at 10.9. The Rays over the LA Angels. We got Tampa Bay winning this one, 4.8 to 4.3. The over-under at 9.1. And the Toronto Blue Jays hopefully winning one against the Oakland Athletics. We have Robbie Ray against Chris Bassett. We like the Blue Jays, 5.5 to 3.86. That's your MLB speed version today of the MLB Rain Report. Hopefully it was a good one. Cheers.